Shubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Konrad K. Sangma hadin kajingkren kababania bat kinong yalam Garo Hills Autonomous District Council lem bat ulat Kajela hak arpusan trik unailar araja apusan ulapin bena baka Sorkar MDA 2 basensyar da ke National People's Party kalashim ya karai ban Siew hino ya ke Tulop Naduh kashitarik umanai Naiwieng araja apusan ya ki Nongtrei jangkilai teli ki ADC kata ke KHADC JHADC bat ke GHADC. Haba ai jingkren Menteri Rangba ulo ang baka Sorkar kalashim ya kanikarai halor ka jingsham jing ke District Council ban Siew ya ki Tulop ki Nongtrei namar kaduna ki jingpenmi pisah. Ulo ang bahalor kani ka Sorkar kalarai banadu ka shitrik Naiwieng araja apusan ka Sorkar jela kan sa Siew no ya ka Tulop na kabenta ki District Council bapher ka jela. Shu uloong bakani kandai ka khilmat bansa jingkan mau namar shisin bala Siew ya ka Tulop ki ADC kinla ban penlet jingmut hagi kam bakongsan hakaroi kapar bat ki kam ki baydai bat ka culture bat ka tanrai knang ban pentikna ya ka jingpen trai kambha ya ka nikarai Menteri Rangba ula pentip baka Sorkar kan sa thau ya ka komiti ka banya kren bat baro ki District Council ula ban joru baka jingthmu jongki kalong betek tangban wanra e kajing long shingan ha kapisa tingka ki ADC bat karukom tray kam kababyang knang bakin la ban Siew ya katulop kinong tray ha kapor kabadai bat bakin la ban beteng ikijing tray kam ban tray katkum karukom balabu da kariti sensyar kari Henry ulakren shairu baka Sorkar jella kanum mushlia ha kabayadai bat kajing tray kam ki District Council.
Today, after detailed discussion with the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, we have realized that there are a lot of challenges that the councils today are facing all over the state. In the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, the salaries required annually reach up to 70 plus crores, whereas the revenues don't even touch 30 crores. And hence there is a huge deficiency and a gap between revenue and expenditure. The similar conditions are there in other district councils where financial problems are there in the Jenti Hills and to some extent in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The district councils are a very important institution in our state, and the district councils are also a symbol of our culture and of our traditions. Hence, it is absolutely necessary for the state government to ensure that not only do the councils work properly, but they also thrive and ensure that different aspects of our tradition and our culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Keeping these aspects in mind, we as a government have decided that coming November 1st, 2025, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salaries for the different autonomous district councils. This will be a historic moment where once the salaries are paid, the different district councils can then focus on the different areas of concerns and development aspects and different traditional and aspects of culture. The procedure to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner will be worked out by a committee that will engage with all the district councils, namely the Khasi, Garo and the Jenti Hills District Council. This committee will take 45 days to ensure that they engage with all the councils and ensure that these systems are in place so that the salaries can be paid to the district councils by the state government. I also want to assure the district councils and the citizens at large that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district councils. Our intention is only to bring financial stability, a proper system so that the councils are able to pay salaries on time and so that they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Earlier today, I also had a meeting with the Honorable Governor and shared these different points, took guidance from him, and as per his directions, these decisions are going to be finalized. And in the cabinet tomorrow, we will be officially taking these decisions to ensure that every aspect of what was discussed with the Honorable Governor will be implemented in letter and spirit. Thank you.